welcome back to the Alchimie Forever YouTube channel. Today we're looking at another ingredient, rosemary. So rosemary, like all of the botanicals that we use in our products, is highly antioxidant. This means it helps to prevent free radical damage and delay signs of skin aging. This is, however, not the only reason that we use this ingredient. We love this ingredient with its properties that help to promote blemish-free, calm skin. So let's talk about some of the special properties. Disinfectant and antiseptic properties is what rosemary is known for. So this is wonderful for acne-prone skin. It not only helps to calm the inflammation that comes with acne, but it also fights the bacteria that actually cause breakouts. In addition to this, it has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. This is thanks to the carnosic acid present within this ingredient. And again, this is a wonderful property for blemish-prone, acne-prone skin. It also helps to balance the skin's natural oils. Again, are you getting the sense of this product being great for an oilier skin type? And finally, it has anti-inflammatory properties. This is thanks to the rosmarinic acid. And don't be afraid of this word acid. Rosmarinic acid is actually an incredibly calming ingredient within rosemary. And as you know, an acne-prone skin or broken out skin is filled with inflammation and is not calm at all. So this is a wonderful additional benefit. Finally, I should say that we use rosemary in its leaf extract, not the essential oil. So this is a formulation that is safe for all skin types, including sensitive, and that is safe for daily use. So if you haven't yet, look at some of our products that contains rosemary, including our gentle refining scrub and our skin repair gel for the face. A couple body products, our firming gel for neck and bust, and our soothing body lotion. And finally, this ingredient will be featured in our newest product, which is coming out very soon. Thank you.